May 8th, or May 9th, sorry, 2020. Still snowing. Can't believe it. Anyway, God loves you. We're still in the pandemic worldwide. Things are starting to open up, but be respectful of others. Just remember, God's coming soon. I believe this pandemic has opened the eyes of some people to see that, that God is real and He's coming soon. He loves you. He died on the cross over 2,000 years ago. I hope that everybody's staying safe. God bless you. Enjoy your weekend. Just heading off out here to pick up a few groceries at Walmart and a little place called Victor Meat Market downtown in Farrington, down on King Street. I check it out. They always got good deals and everything like that. So anyway, God bless you. Take care and enjoy your day.